Read on KDP can be super confusing. Do you need it or not? Today I'll show you exactly when to use it and a simple rule that makes things easy every time you upload. Bleed means your content extends all the way to the edge of the page. No white border. If you have images, designs, or puzzles that touch the edges, you need to select bleed during upload. Let's compare. This cover needs bleed. See how the background wraps to the edge? This interior page doesn't. All the content stays safely within the margin. Even if your pages don't reach the edge, I personally always choose bleed. Why? Because it won't mess up your margins, it gives me extra wiggle room, and it protects against errors if something shifts near the edge. And if you're still designing your book, I will leave the tool I use link below. It helps me size everything right the first time. That's it. Bleed doesn't have to be complicated. And just remember, if it touches the edge, select bleed. And if it doesn't, you can still choose bleed to be safe. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.